Where can he be?
Not under here.
Where can he be? Not behind here.
I hear a little giggle. You must be more careful, sweetie.
It is okay, buddy.
Oh! A giant spider! I think we need a bigger fridge.
Oh my goodness, what on earth do you look like?
Wait, what on earth happened to my shoes?
Those are certainly not your shoes. I didn't mean to. You must be more careful, okay?
Earring.
Why did you do that?